Hello, welcome to Java tutorial. Today I illustrate about the variable and data type, the assignment statement, and the type consistency. This is our Java types and data. The first line is data type integer. Have number 1, 2, 3, negative 99 is the sum example of integer. Next is character. It's basic or single character like any type on your keyboard that represent to your character, that sequences to your character to string. And string sometimes need a number that has a decimal point. In that case, and we use double. For that example, we have 12.28 negative 128.056 blah 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 and 0.0. And we have true or false. That called Boolean. And now let's take the concept of data types variable. Data types are value and giving that into value and put in all contact into Java statement. Here's our example of Java data types. And int is the data type, x is our variable, and what equals rather is the assignment condition, and 25 is our value. Well, we can write a Java program that asks your name, age, grade point average, and then the output message without information. And we start coding. File, new project, and I name it interactive comment data. So, in this source editor window, you can cancel this one. And this one. Here. Type string name int age double GPA grade point average. Name is equals to Caroline. And age is equals to 22. GPA equals to 3.9. Now, system dot out dot print f. Percent s is percent d years old and percent s has a percent at GPA \n and semicolon. That's it. Because our percent s is our name and percent d is our age, also name because it type percent s, and last percent f is our GPA. So that's okay. Then run. Oops, Control S. Our file save as. Run project. Okay. In the bottom, the output, Caroline is the percent s. This is the string here, and 22 is the percent d, which is integer, and 3.9 is our GPA, or percent f is the double or floating point value. So that's okay, and we can adjust this one. So this one. So I try it again. And by the way, percent %f is the floating point, and our GPA at this bottom is 3.9000 because of the double. So if I try percent 4.3 because 4 is the number and 3 is start to the point, and run it. Here we go. Caroline is 22 years old. Caroline has a 3.900 GPA. And that's all for today. See you for next tutorial. Bye!